This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name of this red wine grape variety from Italy, more specifically from the south of Italy, from Sicily, the island of Sicily, that is very, very famous now outside of Italy. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Nero d'Avola, Nero d'Avola. So with the typical pronunciation in Italian, you'd say Nero d'Avola. Note that you do want to emphasize on the first A of Avola. I've heard some people saying Nero d'Avola. Well, that's not entirely correct. It's not completely wrong because that's Nero d'Avola, d'Avola, but you have to say Nero d'Avola, Nero d'Avola. But it'd be fine in English if you can't trill the R like the Italians do to say Nero d'Avola, Nero d'Avola. But the A here is really, you've understood this, the emphasize. So say Nero d'Avola, Nero d'Avola wine, or Nero d'Avola, Nero d'Avola. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine, in the wonderful world of vino. Au revoir, arrivederci, bye bye.